Peace be upon you and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make alarms visible in the alarm viewer and how to enable the alarm sound. First, run the simulator and start the controller software. Then open Cimplicity Workbench and run the project. When the Cimplicity Alarm Sound Manager window pops up, click Add, select CRM2 SVR in the project box, and click OK. After that, just minimize the window. Now I'll launch SimView from a random screen and then open the alarm viewer so we can follow alarms as they become active. Next, start Toolbox by clicking on the til.tcw shortcut, not the Tilgem one, and not HasRML. Open the G1 element and choose any signal to force. Keep in mind, forcing a signal usually generates an alarm. I picked L86HD, but forcing it didn't do anything, as you can see. So, let's go back to the Toolbox window and open the SVR1 element. All you need to do here is build and download the program. Once the download is complete, the alarm will show up in the alarm viewer and you'll hear the sound play. Acknowledge all alarms, then try forcing a signal again. This time, it will generate an alarm. Notice that the L86HD in the Start Check tab has an animation effect and also inhibits the start request. Enjoy learning and experimenting with this simulation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with the world.